Drones. They took us to new heights. They gave us a new perspective. We used to look up, and now we look down. Tomorrow is now today. The future is now the present. A new horizon is here, saving us time for the more important things in life. Is your business ready for the revolution? Agriculture, livestock management, crop health analysis, construction, infrastructure inspection. CUAV and our team are providing cutting-edge drone services in the UK. So it's time to take your business to new heights with CUAV.